Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey guys, I'm back today and I'm going to start off with my brows. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So here it is. Today I'm going to be using this Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. It's in Brunette. And the two concealers that I'm going to be using for my highlight and the top of my brow are Honey and Almond. I'm going to use Honey at the bottom and Almond at the top. My brows, you guys, I got this from YouTube actually. The Got To Be Glued spray, I sprayed it on this spoolie right here and brushed it in my brows. That's a tip I got from YouTube and it actually works. I love it. So now what I'm just going to do is go ahead and take that brow pencil and fill in my brows. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place those concealers on a like palette type thing. And that's how I'm going to use them. I didn't want to put them on the doe foot because I noticed when I put it on the doe foot, like getting it directly from it, it gave me too much product to put on my brows. So I found this way a lot easier for me to do and utilize them that way. I'm going to take this brush right here. It's a flat brown top brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend out my concealer. The top and the bottom, I'm going to use the same brush to blend out the both. I'm using this Sigma eye primer. This is the only primer that I most of the time use, you guys, because I absolutely love the color of it and it goes on smooth. This helps my eyeshadows to pop. I know that I can put concealer to do this, but I like doing this. Take this palette right here. This palette, I actually got it from Amazon, you guys. I got quite a few palettes from Amazon. It's called Exotic Flavors, and I think that name is Ukambi, and it has a lot of beautiful colors. Y'all see them colors? Oh my god, they're beautiful. Mattes and shimmers. This is the line of colors that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to be going throughout the whole palette because today I just felt like doing some smoky neutral look. So those are the ones I'm going to be using. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using this very first color right here. It is a cream color, and I'm going to use that as kind of like a highlight. I'm just going to go ahead and take this next color, and I'm going to just pack it like kind of a little bit below that brow color. So like a lighter brown. I'm just going to take that brush and pack it on. Y'all, by the way, mostly every single brush that you see in this video, I bought it from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if anyone is interested. I'm going to take this next color right here. This color is going to be like, it's a little bit lighter than burnt orange. So it's like, yeah, it's like the best way I can describe it. A little bit lighter than burnt orange. And I'm just going to go over that brown color and a little bit onto my lid with that color. I'm going to be taking this really pretty chocolate brown color, you guys, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid. I'm gonna go ahead now, you guys, and take that creamy brown color right there. So just try to blend out the darker shade, because I don't know what I was thinking. I should have used like a fluffier blending brush to do this, but I really didn't like how it was coming out with like the brown part of my eye is what I'm talking about, like on my lid, that color. As I told y'all, I have hooded eyes, so it wasn't looking how I wanted. So you guys are going to see how I'm going to fix it. Okay guys, I was not feeling this at all. If you guys can see, this is not the look I was going for. There's nothing wrong with it, but this is not the look I was going for. What I'm going to do is take the darker color that is on my lid and bring it up a little bit above my the hooded part of my eye, and I'm going to blend that out with that fluffy brush. You guys are going to see the difference in how it looks. So when it finishes, that is exactly the look that I was going for. Kind of a smoky type look type thing. So that's what I did. So I'm sorry I didn't show you the shadow, you guys, but it's the exact same brown shadow that I used before on my lid. I'm just taking that and blending it up into a little bit above my hood of my crease, and until I get the desired look that I want. You guys see, I was super happy. That's exactly what I was trying to do. See, it's looking better, like kind of smoky, but not really smoky, and that's exactly the look I was going for. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this shimmery color right here, and I'm going to swipe it like most of the way over my lid, but not completely. And I'm going to take this angled brush right here, you guys, because it fits just perfectly with what I am attempting to do here. I'm not going to put that shimmery color all over my entire lid, just the the inner portion and half of it, basically. Yeah, just half of it by my tear duct. I'm going to go ahead and take this Il Makiage eyeliner. Y'all know I have been loving it lately. It's very smooth, and it is a jet black matte eyeliner. And I am just going to go ahead and line my eyes and give myself a kind of thick cat eye with it. Going to go ahead and take this Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer, put that on my face, and wait for a minute or two to let it dry before I start putting on my foundation. Alright, you all, what I'm going to do now is put my foundation on my face. It's called Jouer. This is not a new foundation, but to me it is new. I found out about this foundation from a YouTuber that I was watching her video, and she mentioned this foundation, and I ran it on how she loved it. I'm going to use 2 pumps of this foundation. It is a very liquidy foundation. However, when I say that this is a full coverage foundation, you guys, it is a full coverage foundation. And now I do regrettably say that what happened is, after I was putting my foundation on, you guys, my camera died. So I had to go ahead and put another battery in it, and I didn't record any of the rest of this, but I'm going to show you guys how the finished look. But this foundation, you guys, matches me perfectly. The color that I have is Sable. It lasted all day. It's a full coverage foundation, and it dries down with a natural matte, and I absolutely love it. Hey guys, I am back and I am super sorry. When I say my battery went dead in my camera and I was like, oh my god, like I was right in the middle of, I just don't even remember what it was that I was in the middle of, you guys. I don't even know if I was in the middle of contouring or what I was doing. I'm being very honest, but I'm so sorry, y'all. My camera cut off on me and this is like so beautiful look that I feel like it's a really beautiful look and it cut off on me. But I'm glad that y'all got to see the tutorial. The only thing that I did when my camera cut off, you guys, I was contouring. I don't know if I was able to go ahead and show you guys what it was I was contouring with. So, but I was using the L'Oreal Infallible, the L'Oreal Infallible concealers basically, and the one that I used to contour my face, I used Honey. So this is the one that I use to contour, you guys. I don't know, I think I'm gonna start doing this from now on, like the liquid and cream. I don't like the cream, but the liquid contours, y'all, business. But anyways, to set my concealer, you guys, I use this LA Girl Pro Face Powder. I use the one, which one I use? Warm Caramel. So this is the one that I use to set my well, wherever I put my contour. So I basically contour my nose and I contour, you know, areas. So this is it. It is a chocolate color foundation. I mean, well, pressed powder, and then all over my face I have Soft Honey from LA Girl Pro. This is it, and this is the one in Soft Honey. It's a little bit lighter than that one. So this is how Soft Honey looks. So I contoured my face with that. And you guys, I y'all know I don't wear lashes. So my mascara that I have been absolutely loving lately, the Maybelline Sky High mascara, this is what I have been using, and this is what's on my eyes, you guys. Got my eyebrows popping, my eyelashes, sorry, my eyelashes popping, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I'm not gonna even lie, I love it. Now on my cheeks, you guys, I have MAC Pinch Me. A lot of this stuff, you guys, I have had for years. So yeah, in my little arsenal I've had for years. But my blush that I have on is called Pinch Me from MAC, and I have had it for quite some time, you guys, and I absolutely love it. It looks so beautiful on my skin, dark skin, light skin, whoever want to put it on. It looks pretty on me. I love it. So it's not overbearing, but it's just pretty. On my lips, you guys, I have Chesnut by MAC. That's it. If you guys, if it focuses, this is the lip pencil. I have Chesnut, and on my lips, you guys, I've had this liquid lipstick for years. And when I say years, I want to say probably about 5 years now. So about 5 years I've had this liquid lipstick. I do believe it's by Colourpop, because I remember I made a video on this a while ago, years ago, with one of my makeup tutorials. It is called Sesaw. It is a really pretty nude pink liquid lipstick. So focus camera. Yeah, so I do really believe that I've had this for some years, you guys. And this is it. Looks like this, really pink, and I paired it, and that is what I have on my lips. So you guys, I am super sorry that if my camera cut off on me, but I'm gonna try my best next time to have my camera fully charged so it doesn't do that anymore. So you guys, I am enjoying so much and absolutely loving making these makeup looks for you guys, because my creativity is coming back with me. Y'all know I went away for a while when I got pregnant, and then I came back. I had to get back in the groove of my stuff that I'm doing with my makeup. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this 2022 is finna be like blowing up for me. I'm telling you, because I'm getting back to myself and getting back to my makeup. But I don't want to make this video super long because it's a makeup tutorial. But yeah, you guys, this is what I came up with, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. The links for everything will be down in the bottom bar, you guys, just in case. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to rate. I see so many people watching my video, but no one ever rates the video. Please don't forget to rate the video. It absolutely helps because it allows me to put more content like this out, and also lets me know that you guys like it. So in comments, y'all, I love to chat with y'all in the comment box. I absolutely adore it. Y'all are my family. I love y'all. Y'all so supportive. So please leave your comments down below, and I do respond to my folks. Y'all family members know I respond to y'all. And do not forget to like the video if you like it, and also make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I love all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.